Alright, in this video we will link the activities or set up their dependencies. There are various methods to set up the dependencies and we will discuss about them in this lecture. So let's not waste our time and let's expand the table and add the successor table. Add successor cell right of the predecessor column. So right click here, insert a column, just add successor. Alright, we got the successor column right here. Now let's link all the activities. Assume that we have two teams for concrete work and for rest we have just one team. Let's start to link the activities and see the difference. For excavation we have just one team, so the excavation work of secondary block S may only start after completion of primary block, which is P block. So for the let's link these two activities. Free, press Ctrl. You can see a link button right here. Alright, so we have linked these two and we have the finish to start relationship between them. So now the successor of 3 becomes 5 and predecessor of 5 becomes 3, as you can see here. When you see in the Gantt chart, alright, I'll show you the Gantt chart. In the Gantt chart you can see an arrow which is a link between task 3 or activity 3 and 5, which says that 5th activity can start after 3rd activity finishes. Just have a look. The start and the end dates of this activity also changed. Okay, let's continue to link the activity together. P block concrete works on foundation starts only after P block's site excavation for foundation. Yeah, so we link this 3rd activity and the 9th activity. See, 3rd activity and 9th activity. So P block concrete works cannot start before this one, so this one only start after the completion of site excavation. So let's link up them. Again, finish to start relationship. So now the successor are 5th activity and 9th activity, and the predecessor of 9th activity is also the 3rd activity. And the level 1 concrete work can start after concrete works on foundation, and level 2 concrete work can start after level 1 concrete works. So let's do finish to start link on 9, 10 and 11 through serially. So press Ctrl here and link them. We have finish to start relationship. Again, this and this, control this one and link. Alright, yeah. Now we will talk about other type of link where 2 or more activity may start at same time. We may need to start. We may need to link the start to start relationship for that, and we can add lag or lead time to those activities. Let's say P block level 1 walls. Alright, I will show you. Alright, P block level 1 walls may start 10 days after starting off first floor concrete works. So this activity, 13th activity, can only start after the start 10 days after the 10th activity. That means we need to have the start to start link. That means we need to have a start to start link between them, and we will have 10 days of lag. So let's select both the activities and click the link button. So let's say this activity and 10 and 13th activity, press Ctrl and link them, but it's not finished yet. We can see the link between 10th and 13th activity here, so just click on arrow here, click on these arrows. Alright, my computer is not responding at the moment. Yeah. We got the task dependency dialog box, and just select start to start and type 10 here. Alright, 10 days of flag. Let's write 10 and press. Now that means 13th activity may start 10 days after this activity. 13th activity may start after the 10 days of start of this activity. On the predecessor of 13th column, 13th activity, you can see 10 SS plus 10 days. That means this activity can start 10 days after the 10th activity. Alright, and the level 2 walls and level 1 have finished to start relationship, so I simply link them and that's fine. Yeah. And let's say level 1 plastering works may start. Level 1 plastering works may start 7 days after the beginning of first floor wall. So this plastering work is 13 and this 16. So plastering works of level 1 may start 7 days after walls of level 1. So again we link this one. Alright, let's see the link between them. This one. So we say start to start and write 10 days here. Sorry, 7 days. So let's say level 2 plastering works start only after level 1 plaster finish. So level 2 plaster works can start only after level 1 plaster finishes. So let's link them, finish to start relationship. Again, level 1 painting works may start after level 1 plaster works finishes. So level 1 painting works may start after level 1 plaster work finishes. So just link them. You can just establish the link by just typing 16 on here and 19 on here as well. Alright, level 2 painting works may start after first floor painting work finishes. Alright, level 1 doors and windows can start after level 1 plaster works are completed. So level 1 doors and windows can start level 1 plastering works finishes. So select 16 and 22 and just link them. Alright, and level 2 will start we want the level 1 painting works, to start 3 days after beginning of level 1 doors and windows. So let's click here, click on the, so in this tab choose level 1 doors and window, level 1 doors and windows, and choose start to start and type 3 days here. It is just another method of linking up. Alright, we want level 2 doors and windows to start after level 1 door and window finishes. Level 2, we want this one and this one, we have finished to start relationship. Just on the predecessor here, just type 22. Let's link another task, level 2 concrete works. Alright, we link the another task, level 2 concrete works with roof construction. So level 2, so let's link this one, just select this one, press Ctrl and construction of P block, and just link here, press link. As we have two teams for concrete works, click on S block concrete works on foundation. Let's click here, and its predecessor should be the excavation works of S blocks. So 29 and 5. So predecessor of 29 is 5. Just click here, type 5. So I need the finish to start relationship between them. Now let's link them. Link the foundation level 1 and level 2 concrete works. So this one is 29 and this one is 30. Let's say S block level 1 walls can start 10 days after S block level 1 concrete works, and we will put the same way like in the P block, but we should wait till the wall of P block to be finished. Alright, in this way we link all the activities. Like the way we linked for P block, we will do same thing for S block as well. Alright, for final file follow the description below, and thanks for watching.